Hello, good morning. My name is Adriana Montero. I am English Level 2, Section 024 to 8. Subject 8, Connector of Comparison and Contrasts. Connector of Comparison. This connector helps show that there is similarity between two ideas. Equally means evolving in the same manner. Unsimilar means resemblance in quantity, character sizes in the same manner. Likewise means is the same way, in the same manner. Similarity means likewise, in the like manner we can use to make comparison. Connector of contrasts. Connector of contrasts are words or phrases that are used to show a differing or opposition between two ideas. They can be used to aim variety and interest to write, and to help really understand the relationship between ideas. Conjunction. Vowel. First, the most straightforward contrast connector vowel introduce an opposing idea that contrasts with the present statement, yet similar to vowel, yet emphasize the unexpected or contradictory nature of the second statement. Traditional phrases. On the other hand, this phrase introduces an alternative perspective or opposing viewpoint. However, it signals a tip in thought of the presenting a contradictory idea after a preceding statement. Preposition. In the contrast to this prepositional phrase set up a direct comparison between two different things. Subject B, type of comparative adjective and structure. Comparative adjectives compare one person or thing with another and enable us to say whether a person or thing has more or less of a particular quality. Was signable adjective could jot along nice although. To form the comparative, you use the R suffix with adjective of one syllable. It's colder today. The yesterday was a longer holiday than the one you last year. Subject C, type of superlative adjective and structure. Superlative adjective describe one person or thing as having more of a quality than all other people or things in a group. Other determining with superlative adjective. Before a superlative adjective, we can use a possessive determiner. My, his, there, or the plus a number 2, 3, 30 seconds, or possessive determine plus a number. His two best friends organized a surprise party for him of 14th birthday. One syllable adjectives which are irregular. Some one syllable adjectives of irregular comparative of superlative form. Bad, worse, worse, far, father, further, farthest, furthest. Good, better, best, whole, older, older, oldest, eldest. This is finished. Thank you.